Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Meredith, and today I have my Allure beauty box for March 2023 to unbox with you. Yes, it is definitely very much April right now, but this took a very long time to get to me, so I'm going to unbox it now with you and give you my first honest impressions about it. I do believe that the Allure beauty box has gone up in price from April, so I don't know anything about it because I did lock in my previous price as an annual member. Long story there, but I did also skip the April box, so I will not be unboxing an April box this month. Sorry about that. But I will be obviously doing the spoiler video coming up soon. Let me know as well if you want me to try to do the Ipsy by BoxyCharm by Ipsy spoilers as well, because I did find where they post them. So I'll try to do those if you want me to do it. So let me just jump into unboxing this box here, and I'll also let you know that I am also going to be unboxing or doing the head-to-head competition between the BoxyCharm and the Allure box for March, and that will be my final BoxyCharm versus Allure box sort of video because I am no longer getting the BoxyCharm box. I was getting it in PR and they decided to discontinue that program after the Ipsy by BoxyCharm takeover. No, BoxyCharm by Ipsy takeover. I don't have any of the marketing information, so it's just like not ingrained in my head what that's actually called. So let me open this up and I'll show you what I got. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is honestly one of my favorite parts about the Allure beauty box, is that it tells you about the products in here. And then the other thing is they also have some sales online, and you do have to be an actual member through the official website, not through Amazon, if you want to access the store. So let me just start off with my first item. So basically this box, it was such an ordeal to try to get through because I really wanted a lot of these products and I wanted to lock in the price, obviously. But this is from Tarte, and this one is the Man Eater Mascara, and this is the Lifting, Volumizing, Curling. It's a Best of Beauty award-winning mascara. It has carnauba wax and it helps lengthen and volumize and makes the mascara glide on like a dream. The flexible tip is spiked with more than 500 teeny tiny bristles that coat every last lash, even the ones near your inner corners, for a fanned out lengthened look with just enough curl. So it says it isn't waterproof, so I'm a little bit concerned about that, but it's $25 for the 0.3 ounces, which is this guy here, the full size item. There is a coupon code, so if there are coupon codes, I'll try to let you know. I also have a link below if you want to try to get the April box and an additional free, I think it's money off actually. And then on top of that, if you have Rakuten or you want to join Rakuten, you don't have it yet, I also have a personal referral link for that below as well. And both of those, I think I get a small commission for referring you, but I'm not entirely sure about that. Anyway, but yeah, with the Rakuten you get cash back, and if you use my link you get additional cash back, but with the Allure beauty box I think you right now get $5 cash back. So anyway, let me get back to saving more money. Coupon code 15% off with Tarte X Allure 15 through May 1st, so better jump on that if you want that coupon. And it's good on tartecosmetics.com, and you can't use it on bundles, goodie grabs, and influencer sets. So I do have this already behind me. I got it in a BoxyCharm in the past, so I haven't tried it quite yet, so let me know what you think about it. 16-hour long wear with no clumping or flaking. There's somebody yelling outside. Sorry about that if you hear that. Instant length, volume, and curl, and has vitamin E, jojoba, and carnauba wax, ophthalmologist tested, and safe for contact lens wearers. So I'm very excited, and this one is cruelty-free, and it is made in Italy. So this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it right now because I have, actually I'm trying out this e.l.f. mascara. Hold on. And this e.l.f. mascara is actually really, really good. I was sent it to try out from Influencer and e.l.f. and yeah, it's really good. So I've been really liking that. So yeah, definitely going to try out the Man Eater eventually. I just have so many mascaras open right now, but very excited for that product, and it's already paid for the entire box. The next product is from another brand that often comes in these boxes, but I'm not mad about it because I really like this brand. It's the Belief Aqua Bomb Overnight Lip Mask. And we usually get like the small sample sizes from Belief, but I think you can buy it at Sephora. And it's a hydrating lip treatment, and it has the Centella Asiatica, which soothes and hydrates lips like no other, and moisturizing shea butter. It's not heavy or sticky, and it has a gel-like formula which feels like nothing, and on windy days your hair won't get stuck on your mouth. So $22 for the full size, which is 0.7 ounces, and this one is 0.1 ounces, so whatever 22 divided by 7 is the value. And this is made in Korea. And this is what it looks like here. So the one bummer is the packaging makes it look like a lot, but then when you look at the bottom, it's like the little pod actually goes quite far up. So anyway, very excited to try this out, and I really actually like putting the Belief products in for travel. I just got back from another travel, so it's just because they're so small, and I know that they're very like soothing and gentle on my skin, so after travel and things, it's just really nice. And the little pots are pretty good for about a week, so I've been liking those. Anyway, let me move on to the next one. This is another full-size product, and this is from Mud Masky, and this is why I really wanted to try this box, because I've heard really good things about all of the Mud Masky products, including this one. I have a couple behind me that I've gotten in other subscription boxes, but this one I haven't tried yet. It's a vitamin-infused eye serum, and if you know me, you know I love eye products because I really need it, especially this past week. My eyes, I've been noticing so many wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, you name it, it's there. So this has vitamins C, A, B, K, D, F, and E to nourish skin. E is a workhorse that hydrates and soothes, and brightening C are both antioxidants to help protect the delicate eye area. $63 for 30 mLs, and this one is 30 mLs, so it's the full-size price. So obviously paid for the box, and then it's from mudmasky.com. You can get 30% off with the code Allure30 through May 1st. So on the container here, it says it reduces dark circles, so again, definitely need that. It looks like I got punched in one of my eyes. I've been covering it up. Hopefully it's working. And it also has moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming capabilities, and it says that it is fragrance-free and pH balanced. And this is fresh made in Amsterdam, so I guess it's made in the Netherlands. And it is PETA certified. So very, very much excited about this product. If you've gotten this already and you've tried it, let me know, because I remember when I made my spoiler video, I think it was in a Glossier box, one of those other subscription boxes, and everybody had really good reviews from that. So yeah, let me know what you think. The next product is another full size, and it's in a little bubble wrapper, so let me take it out here. So what I appreciate about the box is that they do throw in expensive products like the Mud Masky here, but they also throw in products that are a little bit more easily attainable at a regular person price. So this one I found on Amazon when I made my spoiler video, so I can try to link you below if you want to see the reviews and such. It's $9.99 for 2 ounces, and again, this is the full size, and it smells really good. When I pulled it out, it smells very good. Like, it's a very fragrant scent. I guess it depends on if you like peppermint smell or not. But this is a Miel Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. So if you know me, you know that I need that help. So this is a cooling and hair treatment with more than 3 million views on TikTok. It's a TikTok star. It has rosemary oil, and studies support that the botanical can help grow hair. It also includes castor oil and coconut oil to moisturize dry scalps and smooth split ends. So you put a few drops into your scalp, and then you have whatever's left on your hands and you put it in your ends. Again, $9.99 for 2 ounces. You can also buy it not only on Amazon but on mielorganics.com and use Allure20 through May 20th to receive 20% off. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm not going to try it out right now because actually, mini review here. I've been trying this one out. I just bought it on Zulily a couple months ago. This is the Grow Gorgeous original sort of strength product, and this guy here smells really strong. It feels like, you know, like sometimes when you take a medicine you're like, oh, it must be working really well because it smells. I feel like that might be what's happening, but it's a very scented product. I have been liking it. I've been trying it for about a week, but I did have to do a quick last minute travel, so I didn't check it with me there. So I haven't been able to tell you if it's like helping me grow more, get denser hair, but as you know, I'm trying to like figure out how to do that because I just have so many little tiny baby sprouts at the top of my head, so I'm trying to figure out how to get them to grow faster and be healthy and stuff like that. So anyway, this product will be on the list to try out next. Oh, the other one I'm also trying, this one is the Tea Tree Mint Refreshing Scalp Treatment. I can also try to link this below because it didn't really work for me, but the reviews said that it worked for other people. So I think that like hair care is very much like skincare, where it's a person-to-person thing. So I'll try to link everything below, and you can take a look at the reviews to see if it's worth your effort, because the OGX one was also quite inexpensive. Moving on to the next product in the box, since I got very much distracted there. This is from Dionys. I almost said Dionysus. This is from Dionys. It's the Hand and Body Goat Milk Cream in Milk and Honey. So I really like hand creams. I have them everywhere because my hands are so chronically dry. Like, don't look at my fingers because they're peeling. But yeah, anyway, this is a hand and body moisturizer, and it has nourishing skin living formula with non-greasy hand cream perfection, soothing knuckles and softening skin. A subtle and sweetly warm scent is a relaxing bonus. So $12 for 3.3 ounces, which would be the full size, and this is 1 ounce. You can buy it on DionisGMSkincare.com and get 15% off with Dionis Allure 15 through June 30th. I've seen this brand around winter time at Costco in like a 3-pack, 5-pack, 6-pack, something like that, a huge pack. I've also seen it at Ulta, and somebody left a comment saying that they can get it at Cracker Barrel. I've never been at a Cracker Barrel in like recent memory, so I don't know if you can find it there. But this is what it looks like. I don't know, I'm showing you that. It is sealed, but you can smell it through there. It has a very familiar scent to me, something from my childhood. Oh, I think it smells like this one. I think it's like a Johnson & Johnson body wash for babies. It smells like that. It's like very warm and comforting and a slightly sweet scent. So I'm very excited for this. I just have so many hand creams open, so I'm gonna wait. But this one is definitely gonna be on deck because I'm just still trying to go through my advent calendar from Crouchy and Evelyn. So that has so many hand creams in it. So this one might be a welcome break. So I'm going to move on to the next product. So the next product is from, I'm gonna say Coats, because it has the line over the O. So this is from Coats. It's the Flawless Complexion SPF 50 Tinted Sunscreen. So this is a silky soft finish. It has a mineral facial sunscreen that feels more like a fancy skincare going on, and a high SPF 50, a subtle tint, and the star ingredient is zinc oxide. And it says that $27.50 for 2.5 ounces, and this one is 0.35 ounces. Cannot do the mental math there. You can buy it on coatskincare.com and get 20% off with your entire purchase with Allure 20 code, and good through May 5th. So I'm very excited to try this out, and let me know what you think about it, because I have so many sunscreens I'm also working through because I keep getting sent them to try out, and I love sunscreens, so I also have a lot that I liked using anyway. But this one is specifically made for face, it looks like, and doesn't tell me where it was made, but this one is also expiring in November 2025, so I have a few years to use this. But I am quite interested in trying it out because it is a tinted sunscreen, so it seems like it would be nice. It would have been really nice to have when I was on my cruise, for example, so I didn't have to like put on foundation and stuff as well, because it would have just been all in one. But yeah, I typically don't like a mineral sunscreen. I like chemical sunscreens a little bit more, just because of my skin and things like that. So let me know if you've tried this out and what you think about it, and also let me know how the tint works, because everybody's skin color is so different that I'm curious if this will be, what kind of color this tint will be. So the final product is not going to be used in my calculation for the value of the box, because this is like a marketing material. This is the Cetaphil Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel. It's a gel moisturizer. It's good enough for muggy spring days, but packed with intensely moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin, smooths skin and hydrates the heck out of it. $27.99 for 1.7 ounces, which is a pretty okay price, I would say. But it says it is a skin restoring water gel, hydrosensitive, TM complex, hyaluronic acid and polyglutamic acid, and let's see, and it says that it will instantly boost skin's water content and maintain hydration for 72 hours. Oil-free, won't clog pores, fragrance-free, use every morning and night after cleansing, gently smoothing over face and neck. And, oh, I never knew that, but apparently Cetaphil is owned by Galderma. But yeah, anyway, that is the info there. So that is everything in the box this month. Let me know what you got in your box, because I think there was an additional variation for this particular product. I think it was another Tarte product, a double-ended stick. I think it was a highlighter and eyeliner, something like that. I have one. Hold on. Let me try to find it. Okay, so I found two potentials, and I'm pretty sure it's this one because I did label it. But this is the Quick Stick from Tarte, and it has one side is rose gold luster and the other is black. It's a waterproof shadow and liner. Not sure if the liner is also waterproof, but one side looks like this, and the other side looks like this. I haven't used it yet, obviously, because honestly I have a lot of products open, and the time that I got it was November 2021 if you're interested, so maybe you got it as well. I believe that the way it works with the new members would be getting this one, even though I put it in the wrong side of the box, and then the returning members would receive the man-eater. I have gotten the man-eater in the past from BoxyCharm, but I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, anyway, let me know if you got this and what you think about it. Overall, I am going to use all of the products in this box. It's just not going to happen right now, except for maybe, where did it go? The lip mask. I might use a lip mask right now. But the most exciting thing for me, actually, is the Mud Masky because I really want to find a good eye serum because I've been trying all of them. I have 5 open, 5 open right now, and none of them are really helping me with my concerns right now. But they work fine. They're just like not helping me with my immediate concerns. So Mud Masky, hopefully that one comes through. The other thing that I'm interested in trying out definitely is this hand cream. Is probably the most utilitarian product. That's something I would say about the Allure Beauty Box is that I do appreciate that there's such a like wide variety of types of products. So not only do we get like an eye cream, but we also get hand cream, this sort of hair oil, and then in the past we've also gotten some tools in the boxes as well. So I feel like it's a really well-rounded sort of box. So I never made that video. Let me know if you want me to do the video, but I've been tracking everything that I've received in all of these subscription boxes for the past 2 years, and I do it by category so I can try to tell you it because I have been doing low buy, no buys. So I try to only use things that come in my subscription boxes. So if that's of interest to you, let me know. But yeah, thank you again for watching. Let me know if you had any of these products, if you tried any of these products, what you think about them, what you got in your boxes. And also I am going to film the Allure versus Boxy for March, and again, final video of that type. So I'm going to not have any more content going forward, I guess. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Definitely consider subscribing if you want to see vlogs, because I'm definitely working more on my vlogs because I find them more fun to edit, and then I also have less, I don't have that many subscription boxes coming anymore. So and then on top of that, I am also working through getting to my Alaska vlogs. So if you're also thinking about an Alaskan cruise, I'll kind of be working on getting to those, like packing, how to book things, what I did on my cruise, what I thought about my cruise. It's definitely getting to be the Alaska cruise season now, so definitely consider subscribing for that and putting the bell icon on, because if I'm remembering correctly where I am in my calendar year, I have maybe about 1 more week to go. And typically I've been skipping a lot of the work weeks, so I might be kind of getting to the Alaska vlogs right about now. So thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.